In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Gamma AI password in 2026. If you've forgotten your Gamma AI password or simply want to create a new one, the process is straightforward. First, open Gamma AI on your PC or laptop and go to the login page. Instead of entering your password, look for the option related to forgotten or reset passwords. Click on the password reset option. Gamma may ask you to enter the email address associated with your account. Enter the correct email address and continue. After submitting your request, check your email inbox for a password reset message. If you don't see the email immediately, wait a few moments and check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well. Open the password reset email and follow the instructions provided. If Gamma gives you a reset link, click on that link to continue the process. You'll then be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that is difficult for other people to guess. Avoid using simple passwords, common words, or information that others can easily know. Enter your new password carefully and complete the reset process. Once your password has been successfully changed, return to the Gamma AI login page and sign in using your email address and new password. If you normally sign in using Google or another external login method, remember that your account may not use a separate Gamma password. In that case, use the same sign-in method you originally selected. If you don't receive a password reset email, double-check that you entered the correct email address. You can also check your spam or junk folder and try requesting the reset email again. After successfully recovering your account, consider keeping your new password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. And that's how you can reset your Gamma AI password in 2026. By following these steps, you can recover access to your account